How to withdraw from Blockfi interest account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw from Blockfi interest account. So for that case, you have to first of all log in into your Blockfi account. When you're logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page where you'll be able to see this interface as overview. Under it, go ahead and select the withdraw button. So when you tap on the withdraw button, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and select the account type, and accordingly you need to type in the asset that you wish to withdraw and all that, and click on the next button. Now on the other field, once again type in all of these information as already mentioned, and then confirm the transaction by entering all of the information and all that. Also type in the destination where you actually want to withdraw, and confirm it by going through the review process. Just confirm it by tapping the confirm button, and then you've successfully withdraw from Blockfi interest account. So that is how you can withdraw from Blockfi interest account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.